Hello everyone, welcome back to Mike's Room. Here in Mike's Room, I unbox, test, review, and give my 100% honest opinion on anything I can get my hands on. Whether that be wireless earbuds, phones, Bluetooth speakers, toys, doesn't matter what it is, whatever I can do to try to make your buying experience just a little bit easier. Now I do all of this while being high. Why? Because I like getting high. And I know some of you do too, so maybe you might enjoy my videos if you're a little high yourself. So, spark one up for me. Alright guys, so for today, or for this video I should say, I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first thoughts on the Trogonic TE1 True Wireless Earbuds. These were given to me by Trogonic to go ahead and give my 100% opinion to try to help them out to push this product out there. But, like I said, it's going to be 100% opinion. I'm not getting paid. And what I'm going to do today is just give you my first thoughts. I'm going to unbox this for you guys. And then I'm going to take a couple of days. Then I'll come back and give you guys my 100% honest opinion. Enough with the talking. Let's go ahead and get down to the specs on these. These have Bluetooth 5.0, which is the newest Bluetooth that is out there, which should keep connectivity pretty well. These are IPX5 rated, which means you can't really go swimming with them, but they can take a pretty good splash, so they should be really good with sweating if you're a gym person or running if you like to run. These do have binaural call, which means that you can use either right or left to go ahead and make a call, but they do say that the left is the more dominant side, so it's going to be the left side. It takes 2 hours to charge the earbuds. They claim to have a 7-hour music playback time, and the case itself is running a 500 milliampere battery, which claims to go ahead and charge these puppies 5 more times to give it 35 hours worth of playback without having to charge it back on the wall. They weigh about 4 grams each, so shouldn't be too heavy on the ears. They claim to have an HD sound quality speaker that also produces a 3D quality sound. So I'm pretty eager to see how that sounds like. These don't have aptX. They do have CVC and DSP noise cancellation on them. These are not touch sensitive. These are button press button. You can bring up Siri or Bixby only on iOS. So for Android users, there's nothing there, but I am an Android user. I don't have iOS, so I won't be able to check out that feature, but that's okay with me. The charging case does charge on micro USB. There is no USB-C, and there is no wireless charging on that. So if that kind of breaks the deal for you guys, sorry, but doesn't have that. Alright guys, enough about the specs. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Here is the box here. Nice little slide out. There we go. Alright, looks like there's a warning sign right here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we got it cut. Open it up. First thing we have is this card here. Gives you warranty information. I don't know what that is. And we come to the earbuds, the case. Let's take this case out. Before we get into that, let's go ahead and see what else is in here. Got a nice another little box. Looks like that's going to come with the USB, micro USB, 2 other sets of ear tips, and your user manual. Alright, so let's push those aside and let's get into the Trogonic TE1 True Wireless Earbuds. For my first thoughts here guys, the case seems pretty good. Nice little weight to it, not too heavy. Does feel a little plasticky, not gonna lie. And one thing that I am noticing right now is that this top part is a little wobbly. You see that there? It's a little loose. Ooh, look at that. Those are the TE1s. I don't know why I was going into a different sound there, but it is what it is. Anyway, oh, nice little magnetic, kind of snaps in there, nice. But those are the TE1s right there. So it's got that nice shine to it right there, even with the button. It looks like it has that nice texture. Let's take one of these out. So as you can see, it's got a nice matte black finish all the way around. Even on the inside, there are the pins to connect to the case. And then right there in the middle is where you get that nice texture on the button and that nice shiny finish right there in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and push the button here, see how hard those buttons are. Not too hard to push in. As you guys can see, I'm not pushing too hard. So that's pretty neat. Not too bad. Nice little magnetic there. Doesn't come out. And then you've got your LEDs right there in the back to tell you the case, how much battery is on the case, and how much battery life is on your buds themselves. Let's actually, you know what? I'm going to take it one step further right now. I'm going to put these in just to see about the CVC and DSP noise cancellation, because usually when you have those on a pair of earbuds, they should cancel the noise right away. Left in, the right in. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is nice. That is actually pretty nice. I can't really hear anything around me right now. I can't hear any of the noise, the background. It's almost like I'm deaf. I can't hear. I'm just playing. No, but that's actually pretty good. They fit nice and snug, actually. Let's see. Do this a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Not falling out. So far, so good. So far, I'm pretty impressed with these. What I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to take a couple of days, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know the pros and cons on these, and let you guys know the rest of what I feel and what I think about these. So far, so good, Trogonic. So far, so good. I will be back. And I'm back. All right, guys. So, all right. I'm back from taking a couple of days off and trying out the new Trogonic TE1 true wireless earbuds. For this next couple of minutes, I'm going to go ahead and be discussing what I feel are pros and cons of the TE1s. Now remember, these are just my opinions. Everybody's going to have their own opinion. Everyone's going to have their own way. That was a big hit. So guys, first we're going to get into the pros. First, comfortability. Now, when I first did the video, I had put these in, and the CVC, the noise cancellation, everything was great. They felt great in the ears. Took them out, did some gym work, did some landscape work. Excellent. They feel comfortable. They didn't fall out. They took the sweat, and I sweat a lot. So comfortability, perfect. Battery life. Battery life on these. Now, they claimed that it was 7 hours worth of playback on music. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I got roughly about 6 hours, maybe 6 hours, 15 minutes. My volume level on that was about maybe 85 to 90% volume, and it got all the way to about 6 hours, and then it died on me, which means I could definitely charge these an extra 4 or 5 times, and honestly, I was able to charge these an extra 3 times during one of my days, and it was perfect. CVC and noise canceling. Why did I say counseling? Probably because I'm high. Noise canceling, okay? Perfect, all right? The music went on, didn't hear anything around me. I was at the gym, like I said, I was doing landscaping, and these did not disappoint. Kept the noise out. I was able to enjoy my music and just do what I needed to do. Sound quality, guys. Very great sound quality. For a $30 pair of headphones, okay, these run $29.99 on Amazon right now. The sound quality is amazing, okay? Definitely surprised the heck out of me. I turned on my music, and I had listened to a lot of music, guys, okay? If you guys saw my first video, you guys know the kind of music that I'm going to go through to make sure that the headphones or, wireless earbuds, whatever that I test, is going to sound good with whatever music that you guys are listening to. The sound is just amazing. The bass hits you when it needs to. The mids and the highs come in clear, and I mean really clear. Just sounds amazing. I let my brother go ahead and try these out, and he used to own some JBLs, if I'm not mistaken, or they were Jabras. They were one of the, I think actually they were Jabras. And I don't mean to trash Jabra, nothing, but he compared these to the Jabras and even said that these were just as great as the Jabras. Great sound quality, Trogonic. Great. I'm amazed. Excellent. 2 thumbs up. All right. There it is. That's the truth. Okay, guys, so for that being said with the pros, let's go to the cons. Like I said, there's not a lot of cons. When I first told you guys about the case, told you guys it was finicky, everything like that, plasticky, guys, I still feel the same way. The looseness on it is still there, as you can see, okay. Felt every time that I put it in my pocket, I felt like I was gonna break it. Because like I said, it does feel plasticky. Feels, I'm not gonna say cheap, but it does have that cheap feel to it. So for the case, I have to kind of give that a thumbs down, just because I don't like that sound to it. And you know, who knows? Maybe I got a bad product, or you know, maybe it's just bad luck. You know. Okay, guys. So the last con. So that's only 2 cons. There is a last con that I have on these. Call quality. Okay. Now, I don't have any examples. I'm sorry about that. I am going to try to work on that to get you guys sound examples on other videos. But with the sounds on these, voice coming in sounds clear. Sounds really good with the voice coming in. However, with the voice going out into the other line, in other words, the other person on the other line, my voice sounded drowned out. It sounded muffled. It sounded like my hand was over the speaker and I was, you know, just trying to talk to somebody. So with the sound quality, you know, going out to the other person, not too good of mics that are on here. But the sound quality coming in, very crisp, very clear. Was able to hold a conversation, of course, but like I said, the sound quality going into the other side, it wasn't there. It was just a little muffled. So I gotta kind of give you a thumbs down on the sound quality going out, but coming in, like I said, very, very good. So guys, with that being said, with the Trogonic TE1s, I have to highly recommend these. Why? Because the sound is amazing. Why again? Because the price is amazing. $29.99 on Amazon. Free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. Excellent quality for that price. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I'm giving my full honest opinion on it, guys. Excellent stuff. Loved it. Gonna keep loving them. I think I'm gonna keep these pair because these are they're excellent. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, like it, share it with your friends. If you didn't, still subscribe, like it, and share it with your friends. That way you guys could talk crap, who knows. But leave your comments and feelings down in the comments section. Let me know how you feel about these if you grab you guys yourselves a pair. And remember, everyone's always welcome into Mike's room. Thank you guys, and see you next time.